We got this absolutely beautiful guitar stand so our guitar could sit up in the corner and not have risk of getting injured. And this has been fantastic. It is a little dusty as we don't often pick it up, but it has rubberized bottoms and rubberized edges over here, so nothing is going anywhere. The guitar, once you put it down, will stay on it cleanly, and it just looks really good and minimalist in a corner, whether you have it at a side angle or straight on. It's just a beautiful and simple piece. As you saw, to put it together, you simply slide it together, and so you can take it apart and flatten it as needed and put it wherever you want. Now let me put a guitar on it so you can see how that looks. Adding a guitar is as easy as putting it down. And now the guitar is in it. You can see that it actually really aligns with the guitar. It just makes it look good. It makes it fit the space. While this is not normally where it lives, you can see how it would fit beautifully in a music room or a nice corner. We usually have it in a corner upstairs near our bedroom. And that's how it looks from the backside. It's just beautiful. Just a really nice piece. Looks good. Matches the guitar. I totally recommend it.